Morning, everybody. Had a lot of requests to show how we get the birds out of the back of the Salatin Style broiler pens when it's time to butcher. And today is a butcher day, so we'll show you how we do it. Once you see it, it's gonna seem super simple. It's really cheap, effective way to do it, and it will help you out so you're not low crawling through the back of the pen and the manure. So we'll show you how we do it. First thing we do is take the lids off of the pen. So the feeder we pull out the day before, afternoon or evening, so that the birds push all that feed through their digestive system, which will help keep it clean on the processing end. Alright, now that we have the lids off, I'll show you how we do this. What we have are these two boards. So this is 3/8 plywood, and it worked out well for the video today. We had to make a new set this morning because our previous set had been through 4 or 5 seasons and was totally worn out. And we're going to use these boards to push these birds into the front and then keep them in the front. So we'll show you how it's done. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take this long one, and the dimensions on this is an 8-foot sheet of plywood, and this is cut 17 inches tall. So you're going to start over on this side and work this board into the back of the pen. Coming all the way into the back corner. Now normally the birds would move forward a lot easier, but because Laura's running the camera and standing by the front to get a video of this, they're a little less cooperative today than they normally would be. There's only one that's on the plate, right? There it goes. Alright, now that we've got them all up to the front, this last guy to go over. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey, maybe you can come up and grab him out. There we go. Alright, so we now have the back blocked off here. This is where we take the short board, and this is where we're going to finish blocking off the other side. Set in there just like that. And then we can prop a stick behind it that will hold this up, and then all these birds are in the front of the pen, and then it's easy from here to load them into the crates. So that's quick and easy on getting the birds out of the back.